All right, so this video is going to cover briefly how to navigate through Canvas and how to submit assignments. So your Canvas page should look pretty much like this. It's not going to have this purplish border around it because, again, I'm in the instructor view. Well, I'm in the instructor application, but this particular view is what the student should view from the instructor application. Anyway, it should look a lot like this. The home page, home tab right here, is identical to the modules tab. Okay, so home and modules is pretty much the same. Okay? These tabs over here is pretty much what you're going to see through the remainder of the semester. There will be another tab that shows up here called announcements when I make announcements to the class. Also, when we get close to the end of the semester, there should be another tab over here for student submission of instructor evaluations. But these are the main tabs that you will access. Again, this syllabus tab, if I go to the syllabus, this will become populated as assignments are posted, right? And over here, you can see basically what your percentage is, what the weight is for each one of the assignments, and how much, what the current percentage makeup to the total is. It's kind of a helpful page to go through. It kind of keeps things ordered for you. The home page, back over here. So under tabs, this is basically where you're going to find the progress of the course listed in order. So you've already started here. I assume you've hit this tab, meet your professor. Assume you've done this. First thing to do, in case you haven't, I'm going to go ahead and point this out to you guys. You need to send me an email. Send me an email. Just stating your name, stating you're a student in this course, and stating your full name. And it's required that you do this to show your initial activity in the course. Otherwise, when I do a census, there's something I do called a census, I cannot say that you've actually attended the course. So make sure you do that. It's important. All right, so go back to home. Syllabus walkthrough. That's where you find the video. I walked through the syllabus. Canvas navigation. Actually, there's nothing here right now because I'm currently building this tab. That's what this video is about. This tab, by the way, is going to go away because it's going to be combined in Canvas navigation. And there'll be another tab down here. Hopefully, have that done today called Notebook Organization, where I'll talk about notebook organization. But once you've done these things, this is the first assignment. And it is available now to you. It will be available Monday morning. You'll click on Laboratory Safety and Techniques. And here's all the instructions for this assignment. There's a worksheet associated with this assignment. So you click on that and you will download the worksheet. Comes out as a doc. You're going to watch the ACS safety video. That's this video down here. About 36 minutes long. And it's an old video. I think it was made in 1990. And depending on your humor, there are many parts in there that are pretty humorous. At least I think it is. But it's important information. I know you're not going to be working in the lab this semester, but you probably will eventually. So it's important that you understand those techniques. And when you come back to campus, you're going to have to watch this video again, most likely. I'm telling you, you need to read this Wikipedia article concerning GHS pictograms. I provide you a link. Another link, you're going to go to the Flynn Scientific Database. Click on that link, and you're going to search for methanol, and you're going to find this safety data sheet, the SDS for methanol. You'll need all this information to complete this worksheet. You'll complete the worksheet, and once it's completed, you're going to hit Submit Assignment. So Submit Assignment, we'll browse. That's one of my videos that I'm working on. Actually, that was a test video. But maybe your document for this worksheet that you've done and you've saved is under Documents. And let's say it's that one. Hit Open. And you can provide a comment if you want. And hit Submit Assignment. And there it is. You've submitted the assignment. And it gives you the date that you submitted it and the time. Okay. Let's say that you submitted you're early, you submitted the assignment well before the assignment due date, but you realize that you made an error somewhere or you forgot an important piece of information. You can actually resubmit the assignment. Okay, resubmit the assignment. Both assignments will be saved to Canvas, okay? But I will grade the most recent submission unless you tell me otherwise. Unless you tell me otherwise. Okay, let's go to grades here. This is where you're going to keep track of your grades. So here are the list of assignments, and don't have a score yet here. But you will get scores as I grade your assignments. It'll keep the running total. Again, what you're scoring and the weight of each assignment, how it's contributing to your grade. You click on this to test a different score, so you can project. Let's say that you want to see what happens to my grade if I get an 80 or a 90 on this assignment. What happens to the score if I fail it, get a 40? Those are nice things to do. If you click on one of these links here for the assignment, you'll get this page, and it shows the assignment that you submitted, and it gives the file. You can click on that and see what your file looks like. Now, it's important that you do this because sometimes when you submit an assignment, something happens in cyberspace and the assignment gets screwed up somehow or another. And when I open the assignment to grade it, I just get a bunch of gobbledygook, wingdings or whatever, and I can't grade it. Now, when I see that, I'm going to send you a message to say you need to resubmit your assignment. And it's possible that it's more than likely that you're going to get a late penalty for that particular assignment. So make sure that you go, after you submitted the assignment, go and you check this to make sure that your document looks good. So that's what I've done. It's opening. And of course, it's just the test document. That's all I typed in the document that I submitted for the assignment. This, for you, will actually be the worksheet. Looks good. This is what the instructor is going to see. Now you can go ahead and close that. Now, after I grade it, you're going to be able to see feedback for the assignment right over here. So go to View Feedback. And here is where you're going to see the feedback. Right? Now, obviously, I haven't graded this. I haven't provided any comments, but there will be markups in the document, comments, and grades. What I took off for. It's just the general feedback for the assignment. So it's important that you go to View Feedback after the assignment's been graded. All right, go back to home. Now, one other thing, this a lot of these modules, they're going to be more, right? More modules are going to be populated as we go through the semester. Many of these modules will not be available to you until a particular date. Right? That's the assignment posting date. And as I stated, you will have 1 week from the assignment posting date to actually complete and submit the assignment. So these modules will become more numerous as we go through the semester, become more populated. But basically all you'll do is just follow the course down this direction, all right? So this is your first assignment. On Wednesday, you'll start work on this assignment. There'll be another module that shows up here in a few days where it'll be the following assignment, so forth and so on. But back to this first assignment. When you open it, this is typically what you're going to see for an assignment. There will be instructions on what you need to do to meet the minimum requirements for the assignment, and there will be this submission button up at the top. There will be videos. When we do an experiment, there will be a pre-lab video where I'm discussing some of the concepts of the assignment, go through some of the calculations. Then there will be a video that actually shows me doing the experiment. And then there will be information on what needs to be in your notebook. And again, you'll have the submission button to submit your assignment. That's basically it. That's how you're going to submit your assignments in this course.